Hey Judy, I forgot to mention that we have another awesome tool, and this one can help you with your APA 7th edition. They just updated this. So when you're inside your course and you go to build content, you're going to see something called Who Knew It 24/7 um, professional learning platform. So here you can change the title. You can just put review APA. Or whatever you want to call it. And if you want them to, if you want to make sure that they actually did the exercise and they watched the videos, you can put a maximum number of points and submit and select the training. These ones are awesome short videos. So here you will select APA, filter results for search for the results, and here it is, 7th edition. So what you want to do is you want to go there to the content, then it's going to open up all of the different uh, resources that you have. So see this check mark? You select what you want them to watch. They're very short, like a video, a minute and a half. It even has an assessment. See, after they review this, they get an assessment, and then talks about formatting the title page, talks about the abstract, and they're awesome quality video. And so, you don't have to explain it. Like, Whitney was saying that, you have to explain it. So you pick and choose what you want them to watch, and then you submit it. Okay. So once I go back to the course, of course, it adds it at the very end because, but you can always move it. And then the students will come in. Let me just change my edit mode. Will come in and then they will see what you have selected for them, right? So since I selected everything, so then they can start watching it and then they can take the assessment. And the nice thing is that once they do that, of course, the pop-up blocks everything, but once they go through, they complete everything, it'll show you that they have completed, and then you can see it on your grade book. Well, I won't see it because, I'm here as a student, but they will see what they got on the gradebook. So I think this is an awesome resource worth looking into. Okay, bye. Oh, by the way, I created this video with Screencast-O-Matic.